Hi, this is Huw Davies, co-founder and CEO at Ozone API, and it's coming to the end of the year, so it's time for 2026 predictions. I was going to go and do this whilst walking around outside, but it is cold and wet in the UK, so I thought I'd stay inside. So, three predictions for the world of open banking and open finance in 2026. Firstly, I think it will finally be the year for commercialization. So we've seen JP Morgan make big moves in the US this year with commercialization of their open banking APIs. It may well be that the interim 1033 rule gives a green light to continue that. But I think in UK and Europe, we will finally see commercialization of variable recurring payments, and possibly with competing schemes trying to create that commercial layer so that banks can expose variable recurring payment APIs and unlock a whole load of new interesting use cases, as well as the commercial framework that's been defined in the UAE. So I think it'll definitely be the year of commercialization and premium APIs becoming a reality. Secondly, I think we will see more and more markets move into the implementation phase. So we have Canada just about to start on that journey. Colombia is just about to move towards the implementation dates. I think we'll see a number of other markets in the Middle East look to follow what has been happening in Saudi Arabia and the UAE. In Asia Pacific, markets like Thailand and Malaysia, I think we will see an awful lot of markets move into regulatory implementations in 2026. But also I think we'll see a number of markets look to follow the model of the UAE and implement centralized infrastructure to take the heavy lifting away from banks and allow the banks to get there more quickly with less complexity and less cost, and allow the ecosystem to fall more quickly. We're expecting to see a number of markets follow that model. Finally, I think we'll start to see more open finance real progress rather than talk. So we've got markets like Brazil and the UAE that have got pretty ambitious frameworks and moving beyond typical banking products. I think we'll see that start to happen in a few more markets and real use cases start to emerge. And interestingly, I think what that does is that lays the pipes, the data pipes that will allow AI to really have a significant impact. So if you are getting data across multiple different types of financial services products, then the foundations are there for hyper-personalization of financial advice and financial management. So I think it'll be early days, but I think we'll start to see some real examples of that hyper-personalization start to come through where open finance is becoming a reality. But yeah, I think it's going to be another interesting year. So yeah, let's see what happens. Thanks all. Have a great holiday.